There's a new math teacher in Washington Park School. As Josslyn Manla reports, the new member of the staff has become very popular among top math students.
Hold your boards up once you have an idea.
An object in motion remains in motion. That is a part of Newton's first law of motion, a rule that can be applied to our new energetic instructor. Meet Miss Pearson, our new 8th grade math teacher at Washington Park School. After 23 years in Pearson School District, she decided to cross the border into Totowa and seek new challenges.
When I first became a teacher, I was teaching 5th grade, where I was teaching all the different courses. My principal at the time observed me, and she realized I had a strength in mathematics and encouraged me to go back to grad school to get my degree in mathematics. So I kind of got switched up to a math teacher, and since then I've loved it. I have a bachelor's degree from William Patterson University, and I went back to grad school to get certified in mathematics.
As her education advanced, she stepped up to a higher grade.
I like interacting with the students. I find a lot of joy when they find success in the mathematics, and I do like joking around with them. I laugh through most of my day because I interact with the children. My greatest challenge I find in the 8th grade is just giving the kids the confidence to try the math. Quite often they make tons of mistakes, but that's okay because math is a process that you have to work through. So I spend most of my day encouraging them to give it a shot. It's okay to take a chance. It's okay to make a mistake. Keep trying. So just getting the kids to get past the fear of the math is my greatest challenge.
Technology in the classroom has made a significant difference for teachers, including Miss Pearson.
It's definitely helped. It makes presenting the information much easier using the smartboard. The kids do like doing different types of online things with the math. I do think with math, paper and pencil is necessary to be able to work it out, but technology has definitely added to the concepts. Sometimes I think when kids are doing math on the computer, they forget that you should work out the questions and they try to do everything in their head, which leads them to make careless mistakes.
Many jobs and occupations in the real world require math.
Math comes into play in many careers. You could go into finance, you would require math. Technology, if you're into coding, there's a lot of math involved in that. Anybody who's interested in the medical sciences, that you need to know chemistry, you need to go physics. Physics is very heavy on the math. So basically, almost any profession you can think of, there's some form of math being used in it.
Miss Pearson has opened many doors for her top students.
I think Miss Pearson's teaching style is great. It allows the student to see what their mistake is and try to improve from that in the future.
Many students find math to be difficult, but these gifted students excel in it.
Yes, there is actually. I would love to do pharmacy. And in pharmacy, you are going to need algebra to find the measurements and anything you need for the prescriptions. I'd say the hardest part of math is just converting fractions into decimals.
I think the most difficult thing in math for me would probably be timing and not taking too long on equations or really anything that involves geometry. My favorite part of math is probably solving equations and inequalities because there's just a formula to it, so it's kind of easy once you get the hang of it.
Math is everywhere, into your smartphone, to this thermostat. And it can be a struggle to find, but Ms. Pearson is making that easier, preparing our students for high school and what's to come. Joss Manla, TVN.